Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing guys, and thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made two cute buns on my cousin's hair. She has natural hair. All the products I use, I will link it down in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy this video, please be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys. Her hair is freshly washed. I used organic green tea 2-in-1 anti-dandruff shampoo. I will be using the following products on her hair to obtain this hairstyle. I will be dividing her hair into small sections. Then I will apply some CAIVIL fusion oil, some hairspray, and then some gel, detangling her hair, brushing it and make it into a ponytail, and repeat the same steps. Quick disclaimer, this video has been sped up, so I'm not pulling on her hair, nor am I combing it roughly. I'm starting at the ends, working my way in. I am now going to be dividing her hair into two sections, which will then become the ponytails. I'm applying the silk scarf to ensure that the hair becomes more sleek. You can leave it as it is, but I will be adding some braiding hair to our ponytails to make it look more fabulous. If you want to see how I add braiding hair to hair, I will leave a link in the description box. And here's the final look, guys. Don't she look oh so cute? It's the ponytails for me, sis.